How to turn a melody like this into vocals like these. Alright, I'm gonna go with a lyra. Draw my melody in. This is the cool part, add lyrics. It just knows where you want your syllables to go. Cutting edge technology. Shorten the words a little bit. Alright, then export this. This is Ace Studio's powerful AI vocal tool. This is how you create a choir singing any lyrics or melody you want.
There is no time to run. There is no time to run.
Drag in a whole lot of voices, position them wherever you want them to sit. Draw the melody in, type in the words, or you can also record your voice. It picks up the words and the pitch. And finally, rearranging some parts for harmonies. Cool.
There is no time to run. Far enough, you and me.
I'm obsessed with Ace Studio's AI vocals. Absolutely mind-blowing.
How to go from this
I'm taking it all for us.
to this.
I'm taking it all. I'm taking it all for us.
Using Ace Studio. First, import your vocal and let Ace Studio convert it into MIDI and lyrics. Or if you can't sing, just draw in or record your melody as MIDI and type out your lyrics.
Doing it all for love.
Next, drag in different voices and rearrange the MIDI to build your harmonies. Add even more vocals by activating choir mode, position them in the stereo field and dial in the perfect spread. You can even tweak things like vibrato, falsetto, tension, energy and formants for next level control. With Ace Studio you basically get a full vocal workstation that lets you build pro-sounding lead vocals, backing vocals and choirs without having to sing a single note. I'm giving away 4 memberships, so check out the description to enter.
I'm doing it all for love.
How about if I sing the theme from Titanic? So you're gonna transform me into a woman who can sing.
That's a long way.
Near, far,
Wherever you are, I
believe that's the heart does go on.
believe. Once
More, you
open the door and you're here.
are in my heart and my heart.
We'll go on.
Ever wished your keys could sound like this? Meet Ace Studio's AI violin, where your controller becomes a world-class string performance. Amazingly, there's no articulation switching, no manual programming, just play, and the AI takes care of the rest. Even pizzicato is automatically detected. Already got MIDI? AI Violin transforms it into expressive, humanized violin in seconds. AI Violin runs standalone, or you can use it within your DAW with the provided Ace Bridge plugin. AI Violin is still evolving and currently in its beta phase throughout June and July. With an expression control coming out very soon and a planned expansion of the whole AI strings family, Ace Studio's AI Violin is well worth checking out.
Forever.
had something that I needed to fix way.
No one like you, my girl, yeah.
Girl, yeah. So we're going to use this pitch brush to draw our pitch properly.
Girl, yeah.
Girl, yeah.
My girl, yeah.
Let's do that. Let's take it up a bit.
My girl, yeah.
Bruh, I just need to spend some more time with this thing, man, and we are good.
She wasn't no eyes on her. Summertime, baby, let it burn, burn. Walk like a queen, she on the throne. Big Pakaya, me lose control. When she whine it, she made me weak. Body moving just like a sea. Damn, she cold, she made me freeze. She making me believe. She my chargy. Call her wifey. From the east to the west. No one like you, my girl, yeah.
Bro, this is amazing. This is very useful for singers that are trying to make demos to present to artists. It's just brilliant how you can create music with AI these days.